Hi, everybody. So I haven't checked my mailbox this whole week, but I checked it today. And we don't have one, but we have three Pinch Me boxes. So we're going to open all three. There are three different special products. So let's start with this small one first. I'm going to cut them open. Let's see. Cut a little more. They seal these really good. So, all right, perfect. We got this one open, and let's see what's inside. As usual, I have a HelloFresh coupon and this card about Pinch Me, and then what products in here. Oh, that's nice. Feels so small. I have a little Biscoff cookie. So that's in this first box. I love these on airplanes. They are the best thing. So that's this. Let's go to the second box. Let's open the blue one. Cut this on the side too. Oh, I didn't have to cut it. Perfect. So let's see. This looks like bigger. Oh, okay. So this is Eucerin Radiant Tone Dark Spot Corrector. Y'all may see I have a couple dark spots. So we'll see how this works. It's a daily lotion. Broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen helps visibly reduce the look of persistent dark spots. And it says dermatologist recommended brand. So this was in the second box. And now, and of course in here there was a little card about Pinch Me. And let's go to the last one, which feels heavier than the other two. So let's see. Cut this one. Oh, so we have another HelloFresh coupon. If anybody wants these HelloFresh coupons, another card about Pinch Me, and then Amazon. And this we have Secret Whole Body Sensitive Deodorant, absorbs sweat, clinically proven odor protection, completely clean scent, aluminum free, dry solid. So that's what we have, and it's supposed to be for 72-hour, fresh for pits, privates, and more. I'm going to take a shower that's 3 days. But if you are out somewhere you can't take a shower for 3 days, this lasts for 72 hours. So those are the products we have today from my Pinch Me boxes. I'll let you guys know. I don't know if I've ever come back with like reviews about how I like them, but I do review the products. And for the most part, I love all the products that I received. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.